Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson 27. Nothing stop them. Student, it is a great achievement for anyone to perform extraordinary acts, but it is given more so when this is done despite being especially able. It is true that no one can stop the person who has the ability to act on what he or she wishes to achieve. So, student, there are some people who are achieve a lot despite being especially able. Can you identify them? Student, first we discuss about the Sudha Chandran. She was born in Kerala, India. On one of her return trips from Mumbai to Chennai, she met with an accident resulting in the amputation of her right leg. She was given an artificial leg, and despite this, she became one of the most proficient and celebrated dancer of the Indian subcontinent. Similarly, student, second one is the Malala Ranyan. She is a former American track and field athlete. At the age of 9, she developed a disease that left her legally blind. She is three-time national champion in the women's 5,000 meters race. She won 4 gold medals in 1992 Summer Paralympic in 2001. She co-wrote and published her autobiography No Finish Line. Similarly, student, Vincent van Gogh. Student, he was a Dutch painter. He is regarded as one of the greatest painters the world has seen. His paintings have contributed immensely to modern art. In his 10-year painting career, he produced 900 paintings and 1100 drawings. He was suffering from a mental illness, and in 1889 he was admitted to a psychiatric hospital. Similarly, student, Ludwig van Beethoven. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest composers in history. He gave his first public performance as a pianist when he was only 8 years old. He studied in Vienna under the guidance of W. A. Mozart in the year 1796. He began losing his hearing in spite of his illness. He immersed himself in his work and created some of the greatest work of music. He achieved all his despite being completely deaf for the last 25 years so of his life. Student, similarly, next one is the Jean de Bobby. He was a well-known French journalist, author and editor of the French fashion magazine. In 1995, he suffered as a massive heart attack, causing him to go into a coma for 20 days. After coming out of the coma, he found himself with a very rare neurological disorder called locked-in syndrome, in which the mental state is perfectly normal and stable, but the body is paralyzed from head to toe. In that case, he was able to move only his left eyelid. Despite his condition, he wrote the book The Diving Bell and the Butterfly by blinking when the correct letter was reached by a person slowly reciting the alphabet over and over again. Student, similarly, Stephen Hawking. He was a British theoretical physicist whose world-renowned scientific career spanned over 40 years. His book and published appearances have made him an academic celebrity. He was severely disabled by motor neuron diseases since he was only 21 years. Gradually, he lost the use of his arm, leg and voice, and as of 2009, he was medically declared completely paralyzed. He used to communicate through a speech generating device. Similarly, student, Helen Keller. She was an American author, political activities, and she was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Annie Sullivan was her teacher. Annie Sullivan was her teacher who taught her to communicate by spelling words into her hand. beginning with Do for the Doll. She was a prolific author. She traveled to over 39 countries with her teachers. She was a good friend of many famous figures, including Alexander Graham Bell and Mark Twain. So, students, these are some personalities who are disabled person, but he become a very famous person in the future. So, students, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.